Hey there, Riddle 5th graders. Welcome to another video lesson. Today we're going to be drawing something a little bit difficult. We're going to draw Darth Vader. To do this, I have my art card, and I'm going to start with a bump. I'm going to do his head, mostly his head, and then a little curve and a little curve to start. So it's a bump, like so. Step 2, I'm going to make a shape for his helmet. Has a rectangle shape right about here. Something like that. Skinny rectangle. Next, I'm going to curve the helmet. So next I'm going to work on a little separation here of what would be like a nose, and then the eye, shape for the eye here and here. So to do that, I guess I just made his nose is what I just did, I guess. It's kind of weird. It's a weird shape. Looks like a dot. Dots, a candy, like gumdrop. Next, I'm going to make shape for the eyes. This little handy dandy helmet. Next I want to make this triangle shape here. So it's kind of a triangle. And there's lines in here. Next, I'm going to make his cheekbones. He's got like a chin. He actually does have a triangle of a chin. Never really noticed that before. Never looked at all the shapes on his face. I'm gonna make his neck. That's what it looks like him doing it. The coloring is going to be important here. Now, he is mostly black. So what I'm going to do, look at the picture I like to see here. I'm going to start to work on the coloring part here. See? I'm going to do it. I know that this back here is going to be black. Right back here. I'm just going to color that in black, dark black. And the coloring is going to be, I'm going to press hard, I'm going to press light sometimes. And don't worry about it. Don't worry about if you're thinking, oh, it doesn't look right or it doesn't look good enough. It looks good. It's fine. And if you can see that you don't like something, just go ahead and try to adjust it, erase, and fix it. But mine's not even perfect. Mine's not as good as I would like to see it either, but I'm going to keep working here. I'm going to put some black here. What I'm doing first is identifying where that it needs to be the black. Most black. I need to outline this shape. This is outline this shape. I'm not coloring it all the way in. It's dark on his helmet here. I shade dark there too. So on the side it's dark, and his helmet's so shiny. That's why there's going to be darker areas. I'm just kind of looking at my picture and see where the blacker areas are. So on his nose, see this shape. It's pretty dark around the eyes there. This shape is black. This one is outlined black, and this is not. So this is a gray. His eyes, black here, black shape here. Just gonna shade a little bit. A lot of black here. This is a dark shape on his face. On this side it's just outlined. It's not dark. On the triangle on his mouth, it is darker inside these shapes. Darker inside these shapes. Just kind of shading out a little bit. So I identified where it was really dark, and now I'm just shading a little bit where it's not. If it's supposed to be white or really light, I can leave it a little bit lighter. Sort of looks like him. I mean, it's not perfect. I feel like there's some red buttons or something on him. There's some red buttons somewhere. There should be black in here. And because I'm feeling red, I'm going to use red. And his sword is red, isn't it? So drawing is a lot of measuring, a lot of following small little directions, measuring with your eyes, and kind of copying shapes and comparing shapes. And it's a good little exercise for your brain, just that whole measuring and comparing and trying to mimic or imitate what you see, because when you're doing it you can see if something doesn't look right. If you're seeing well, you can identify what you need to fix or what shape you want to change. I know it's not easy. Some of these drawings that I'm doing are not easy, I know that. But I still want to see them. I want to see how yours turns out. There's Darth Vader. Don, 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 don. I look forward to seeing yours. Share it for us. Have a good day.